We'll guide you through how to recover your Google and Gmail password. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're in the position of where you're wanting to go and recover your Google and Gmail account password. Perhaps you've gone and forgotten it, and now you're wanting to go and access your account. This can be quite stressful because I know a lot of people use Google services loads. For example, you've got Google Drive, YouTube, and of course in your Gmail, you may go and have accounts set up with that and you need to be able to go and access it. So we're going to guide you through some different ways you can try doing this. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So first of all, you want to come into your web browser and you can come to google.com. What's worth doing is going into your browser settings. If you use a different browser as well, you can try checking them if you use multiple, but potentially your password may be saved within your browser's password manager because when you go and sign in, it may have been saved. So what you can do is, I'm using Chrome. It can vary depending upon your browser, but you can go and press the three dots in the top right, and then you can go to your settings. You may just see the option for passwords and autofill. Otherwise, head to your settings and see if you can find your password manager there. We can then click on password manager and you'll be brought here. So you can scroll through the list if there are lots, and you can either go and search at the top and hopefully you're going to be able to go and find it. I can see Google here, so I can click on it. I'll need to go and enter in the password for my computer to go and reveal it. And then I can go and see the password and I can go and press the I to the right to go and reveal it. And I can go and see it there. And of course I can then go and use it to go and sign in to the Google and Gmail account, and you've got the password and recovered it. Alternatively, if that isn't going to go and work, you can't find it there, if you've checked multiple browsers, then what you can do is just come to google.com like so, and you can go and press sign in the top right like this. Now, what you can do here is you need to go and enter in your email or phone. If you've actually gone and forgotten the email, you can go and press forgot email there and you can go through the process. But if you go and know it, as I do in my case, we can go and type it in. And then what we can do is go and press next in the bottom right, and we're going to be brought to this page. And we need to go and enter in our password. But we've gone and forgotten it. What you can do is you can go and press try another way in the bottom right. So what we're going to do here is essentially go and change the password to go and recover the account overall. So here it's saying enter your password, use your passkey, or try another way. Of course, we don't have the password. I don't have a passkey, and so we'll need to go and press try another way. Then it's going to go and say enter the last password you remember using this Google account. So type it in, go and press next. Now we're in the first stage of the recovery. So this is the first option we've got. We can actually go and check our Galaxy A23. Of course, everybody's going to have different devices and you may not even have a device linked, but if you do, a notification will be sent. Go and check your notifications and you can tap yes to go and verify that it's you. And then we can go and start the process of recovering the password and choosing a new one. But if you don't have this option here, or it's not working, you don't have it, press try another way in the bottom right. So for this next option, we've been sent an email with a verification code to our backup email. So this is my backup email here, so I can go and check that email inbox. And then what I could do is go and enter in the password for it. I can do that if I want. If you can't access that email, then what you could do is press try another way. And for this last way, I can go and get a verification code. So Google go and send a code to the number here, and then I'm going to be able to go and access it. We could choose a text or have a call to it, and hopefully that'll then go and work. What I'm going to do here is go and check my email inbox because I've gone and got sent a verification code there. So I'm just going to go and find the code that I was sent, and I'm going to go and type that in. Then you can go and press next or press enter. And now we can go and update the password. And so then we'll go and know the password. So let's go and type it in now. That's it. We've now got into our account and we can go and use it.